Hi, today I'll be showing you how to make chin look smaller with makeup. First of all, choose a powder contour shade a few shades darker than your skin tone, and then using a fluffy angled brush, introduce the contour shade by lightly brushing from side to side under your chin before bringing product lightly on the lower part of each side of your jaw. Using then a large fluffy blending brush that is clean with no product, used to gently blend the darker contour shade in broad circular motions to minimize any harsh lines. Bring attention away from your chin with a pop of pink on the cheeks in order to lift the focal points towards the center. This is the before and this is the after.